Okay, so welcome. The other day I did a video, posted a video about the design considerations for the front beds here at the house. And while I was looking for my Excel file to go along with my main garden tour, I found this file which shows my thoughts and my planning. I guess the final planning process I went through uh, when I designed those front beds and the planning. And if you remember from that video, you can go back into the gardening playlist and find it to watch it again. But I talked about designing the beds with some depth. Uh, this grid that you see here is 6 inches is a block. So this is about 4 feet here. Two of these blocks is about a foot. And so I've drawn the front beds to scale. This is my walkway that I was standing on that goes up to the house. The house is down here. North is in this direction to the right. And so I drew that in Excel and then used that to help plan the plantings so I could get that depth and the heights. So you want shorter plants toward the front of the bed and taller plants in the back. And when you're standing out in the yard and looking at it, you see this stepped view that you have there. And so I just thought I'd show this. It's just a method that I've used. You can see I had a workbook page that listed plants with their height and their width. The plants that I decided to use or wound up using the ones that I had. And then I just came over here and drew to scale my front beds. I drew in a shade line because there's a tree that blocks the sun over there. So all of these plants, and some of these would need to be more of a shade tolerant plant than a sun tolerant plant. And then I drew rectangles and circles and at the time there was a camellia I planted here. You can see how it sort of works. The hydrangeas here, it's still there. Have some annual beds for color. This thing is a light post that's in front of the house. But anyway, I just thought I'd show you a process that I used for planning my beds. And so using Excel, that's one thing that works for me mostly.